Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be comparing OneForma with Clickworker and which pays more in 2025. So let's get right into it. So starting with Clickworker. Clickworker is easy to get started with because it's a sign up, take assessments and start earning with available tasks. The interface is user-friendly. It has a clean, simple design with clearly organized tasks, which is great for beginners. It offers a good variety of tasks, but your growth is limited by the number of available gigs. You'll need consistent work to maximize your earnings. As we talk about pricing and monetization, it pays per task with an average of $3 to $10 per hour, depending on your skill set and task availability. It's decent for part-time work. Now, if we talk about OneForma. So OneForma basically requires application approval for specific projects. Once accepted, it's pretty straightforward, but getting in take a hell lot of time. So it has a more professional setup. It's geared towards projects like AI training and data labeling, with more detailed task management features. It gives higher paying tasks, especially with specialized skills in AI, but finding work can be inconsistent for beginners. It pays better for specialized tasks. Some projects can pay up to $20 to $30 per hour, as you can see over here, especially with data-related work. But remember, the availability of high-paying tasks isn't consistent. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in comparing between OneForma and Clickwork. Thank you so much for watching.